to Golden Homes. This is Colby. We're going to be putting the doors on our finished assembled DB18-3 Door setup. Let's get started. So we get over here to our dark wood drawer base doors. You're going to need a hammer and a drill. So cut the box open. These are your doors. You got your end drawer door and your two H drawer doors. Now, alright, we're going to start with the end drawer first. So remember this hardware that we took out of the end drawer and the H drawer boxes. These ones are going to be used for the end drawer. So we'll get those open. We're going to leave the covers in here and I'll show you how those go on here in a second. So you got your screws. You open your screws up. These screws are specifically for our door mounts, so they always come with them. We'll get those screwed in. By the way, each one of these are pre-drilled, so you will see where they go. The holes line up, get them screwed in. Same on this side. And that is what your finished door will look like. Now let's get it on the cabinet. Very simple. Pull the drawer out. And there's a little hole on each side where these are supposed to go into, in here, and then you hear a snap and your door's in. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So you'll see that on this door you still have your pre-drilled holes for your door inserts, but you also have these two holes up here, which we will get to those. So let's get the inserts on. Screws and your hardware. Open the screws up. Get these on. Alright, now that we got those on, let's get to these holes. So if you guys remember, when we opened the H drawer box, we pulled these out. These are our hangers that help to make the box a little bit bigger. So you'll up here, you'll see kind of a sleeve. You're going to pull the sleeve down, and there will be a plastic insert that you pull right off. We'll do the same to the next one. Pull the clip down. Pull off the insert, put those to the side, and now you got these. Now you want to take your hammer and your inserts and try to make the U to face towards the top of the door. And just want to get those pounded in. Same to this side. And that's your finished door. So now when we get it on, pull the drawer out. Remember, we'll put those in the holes. And we snap in place. Now let's grab the rails. And you want to get the flat side to point out and the grooved side to point in. So when you see holes back here, you want to use the top one. So remember, the flat side out, hear the snap, And then this goes right back into its original spot. And you push the cuff link. Do the same on this side. And back to its original spot. Cuff link. And there's your assembled H-drawer. This is Colby at Golden Homes. Thanks for watching.